What's up guys, and it's time to unbox the most cheapest Galaxy S10 model around, the Samsung Galaxy S10E, and I've got this in the Canary yellow color, the color that is only exclusive to the S10E model. I'm super excited to see how it's gonna look in person. We're also gonna be comparing its design to the Galaxy S10 Plus, which I've been using for the past 15-16 days, so full review is coming really soon. And along with the Galaxy S10E, I also picked up the iPhone XR, so this is the first time I'm actually going to be using and checking out an iPhone XR because I want to compare it to the S10E. These are the $750 boys. It's going to be super exciting to see which one is the king in this price range. I'll be unboxing this one on my Instagram, so make sure to check it out. And before we get into this, I just want to remind you that I am giving away a Galaxy S10. To enter this giveaway, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and leave a comment on my unboxing video. Link will be down below in the description. Alright, so a quick look at the box. It is in yellow color, the text, 128GB model, and we've got all the specification listed on the back. Alright, time to cut the seal. And let's lift the box up real slow, revealing the Samsung Galaxy S10E. Lifting this mini box up, we have got something yellow inside. Let's see. Okay, there is actually a case with it. Wow. Oh my god, this is really cute. We also got the quick start guide with it as well. So keeping all the paperwork on the side. And damn, look at that case. Wow, this is unexpected. Looks really good with all those whole pattern in the back as well, and a nice cutout for the camera. Let's pull the phone out. This is the S10E. Wow, in canary yellow color. Look at that beauty. Let me just zoom in here. Oh my god, this is truly the best looking Galaxy. I mean, what a beautiful color. I wish Samsung would introduce this color with the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus as well. I mean, this is way too beautiful to miss out on. Let's have a quick look at the accessories. So it comes with this fast charger out of the box, which is really nice, unlike some other phones. There's a Type-C to USB adapter, along with a USB Type-C cable, and the beautiful AKG headphones. Alright, so moving everything on the side, and let's take a look at the star of the show, the Samsung Galaxy S10E in canary yellow color. The most beautiful Galaxy color out there. The headphone jack is still there. Dual camera, and obviously it has a flat display. So after the Galaxy S7, this is the first Galaxy S series phone after that to have a flat infinity display. So Samsung has done a great job. It's having Quad HD resolution. It's almost, or actually it's the same quality as its bigger brother, the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, which I have right now here. So let's just quickly unlock. Also, the in-display fingerprint scanner is not present here. So you've got the fingerprint reader inside the actual power key. So this is how Samsung cut corners with that price. And just a quick look of the yellow color next to the pearl white Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It's also really good. I mean, it's after yellow. I think this is my favorite color with the Samsung phones. I always wanted to have a white Galaxy phone, so that's a dream come true. So I'm just gonna quickly go through setup here. All right, so I'm done with the setup. As you can see, I've got the beautiful yellow case on as well, which looks really good, especially in light with those pattern and that gloss. The reflection makes it super cool. I really like the size. It's a 5.8-inch display, so it feels really handy. And obviously it has that single infinity hole instead of the dual, so it actually looks really good. But I am used to both of these, so I don't really mind the dual one. But this definitely looks better. It takes less space than the Galaxy S10 Plus holds. So it's running the One UI as well, which is looking really good. Let's quickly set up the fingerprint scanner here, going into biometrics and security. Alright, we just have to put our thumb on the side. You can see takes a bit of time for a full scan of the thumb. Make sure you get all the areas, and let's check out the fingerprint speed. So wow, so you just have to press the power key and it just unlocks, or even if you don't press it, it unlocks anyways. The ultrasonic scanner on the Galaxy S10 Plus is really good, but it does take its time when it has to unlock the phone. Even if you slow touch it, or put your finger for a few seconds. Doesn't really matter. It always takes a little bit of time, a second, to unlock the phone. It is obviously the most secure one as well. Here it's just you press the key and it just unlocks, and even if you don't press it, it just unlocks really quick. But obviously in display it looks really cool. This one is right here. Because of its amazing size, my thumb is always resting on this position, so really not an issue at all. And this also comes with a screen protector right out of the box, which looks really good. I haven't noticed any bubbles or anything. There is a side-by-side comparison with the iPhone XS Max. You can see, thanks to the hole, it does look a lot bezel-less. Obviously, it still has a little bit of chin, but the design, for those who don't like the notch, I think the hole would be a better look for them. Now under the hood, it's packing the same power as the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. So you've got the Exynos 9820 chip / Snapdragon 855. The base model, the 128GB version that I have here, comes with 6 gigs of RAM. So that will be plenty enough for that multitasking experience. Again, if you guys want a speed test against the S10 Plus, let me know. I will be comparing it to its competition anyway, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Another difference here is that it has a smaller battery coming at 3100 mAh, so we'll be checking that out in a battery drain test, how that will go. The camera UI is also very similar to the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, minus the telephoto lens, so you don't get that. Instead, the second camera here is actually the wide angle lens, and to be honest, I really like it. Kind of prefer it over the zoom, because wide angle allows you to take some amazing shots that you would otherwise won't be able to take. And I really like the camera on the Galaxy S10 family. This year, one of the major improvements is with the front camera. It takes really high quality selfies, and the live focus selfie quality of the Galaxy S10e is actually similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus, which does have a dedicated depth camera sensor. But this phone is doing a fine job without that 10 megapixel selfie camera that can shoot 4K videos as well. All in all, the Galaxy S10e is absolute beast of a phone with this price, and in a couple of months it will get even cheaper. So it's gonna be a tough phone to beat when the OnePlus 7 and other phones will come out. It's gonna be a tough battle. Can't wait for that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for the S10e coverage. I'll be doing a lot of videos. Let me know what videos specifically you guys want to see, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.